A very beautiful Sunday to all of you. Greetings from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have amazing, beautiful, warm morning here. I have an idea to go up to La Paz, Mirador, but quickly walk with El Niño as a time trail. So 10:41, let's go, start. El peak to Lago Martianes. Beautiful. This is lovely here. Shopping center Martianes, and next, yeah, stairs up to La Paz. The stairs are over there. It's a really good exercise. Morning. There we are, Agatha Christie stairs, and time 10:51. Lovely.
the new key. Yes.
You can buy Drago here. Wow. We are meeting people from my country, from Czech Republic. Welcome to Puerto. Ahoj, vítejte v Puerto líčky. My jsme youtubeři, tohle je El Niño. Slavný mini pinch. Užívejte. Potkám vás pak někde. So it was a beautiful meeting of people from my country. They are from Plzeň. Everybody knows Plzeň city because of beer called Pilsner Urquell. Probably the best beer in the world. Sorry Germans, sorry Belgians, but Pilsner Urquell is Pilsner Urquell. And when you see beer, type of beer, whatever name, but there's written Pilsen, it means special type of beer, first brewed in Pilsen, Czechoslovakia. So that's Pilsen in Czech Republic. There we are. Mirador La Paz. La Paz means peace. So this is about peace here. Peace and love. And time. And the time is 10:55. So now you know how many minutes we needed to get here. And the ocean is so low. You can see rocks. That's beautiful. And this morning, totally clear sky. I'll tell you that. 3,750 meters.